Hey everyone, I have a Raspberry Pi with 8 gigs of RAM and an old webcam that I don't use normally. I thought why not turn this into a fun AI project. I set up local LLMs to see how accurate and fast they really are. And here is the challenge. Can AI look at an image and tell me if a person is looking at their phone or not? It's a simple idea, but imagine what paranoid bosses could do with this. Let's find out how it works. Here is my simple setup. I plugged in my webcam using USB connection. First we need to install Ollama into our Raspberry Pi. Go to ollama.com, check Linux and copy that command. Because I have already installed it, I see these outputs and these models. I will use llava and moondream models. Both of them supports image input. llava is a bit more advanced model comparing to moondream and it has almost 5 GB of size. Obviously, it will run a bit slower comparing to moondream model, but I think we will get more accurate results using this llava model. Moondream is a small and lightweight model that is designed to run on edge devices. And be aware of that because of this model is a small and lightweight one, it can generate some inaccurate results. But we will check if it is enough to get some yes or no results. You can install those models using ollama pull command. Once I plugged in my webcam, it started to appear under root dev directory as video 0. And here is the ffmpeg command that I use to take photos. Let's take one more sample photo. Yes, here it is. And here are other photos I have taken for demo preparation. Alright, let's start ollama with moondream model. I should admit it is running slow on Raspberry Pi and I should tell you that I have fast forwarded and skipped some boring parts in this video. Alright, let's start with a simple question. What do you see in this picture? What is in this picture? I am giving this photo 1 as input that is a bit dark and hard to understand what is in it. Let's check if model finds out what is happening here. The image features a man sitting at a desk looking down and using his cell phone. He appears to be focused on the device as he engages it. Yes, it looks like it detected the phone. Now I am running stronger model llava and I will ask if the man in the picture looking at a phone or not. You can see all 4 CPU cores are busy to generate the result. Yes, here we go. The man in the image appears to be using a cell phone. He's holding it with both hands and seems to engage with the content on the screen. Yes, we got correct response. Now I want to get more structured response in JSON format as simple as yes or no. So I can use that response in my further software application development. For this purpose I am giving this format definition and I am passing stream false to get response at once. Otherwise ollama is returning token by token and that is hard to read from command line. I am running the command for the same photo 1 with moondream model. But I got a no response. But I remember it was returning some accurate response when I try same photo in chat version. Okay, let's note this and continue with trying the more stronger model. I'm running the same photo with a llava model. Again, I got a no response. Both models were working fine in chat version. Let's accept both models had difficulties to understand this dark photo. Let's continue with other photos. I am running for photo 2 with moondream model. I got a no response. Yes, that's correct. Let's check this with clear photo tree. I got a no response and that is correct. Now this photo is a bit cropped and is not complete. Let's check what models will do with that. Okay, moondream couldn't detect the phone on my hand. I got a no response. Let's try same photo with a llava model. Good, a llava model detected the phone and returned a yes response. That's correct. Now this photo is a bit tricky. I am looking at something but that is not a phone. I am looking at the notebook. Let's check what models will do. Fine, I got a no response that is correct with moondream model. And this is a clear and obvious photo. Let's check what moondream will return. Great, we got a yes, that is correct. Now let's try with a photo taken at night. Good, we got a no response and that is correct. Now let's check what model will do with this empty photo. Yeah, it returned no and that is correct actually. Now let's change the prompt a little bit. Is the man working or chair is empty? Return yes for working, no for empty. Let's first try with moondream model. We got a no response and that is correct. In the sample photo there is no man working. Now let's try with photo night 1 and we would expect a yes response. And let's check what models will return. Moondream model couldn't detect the man, it returned no and that is not correct. Let's try with a llava model. We got a yes response from a llava model and that's correct. A llava won this turn. Let's put our evaluation. Moondream model is returning response in 50 to 80 seconds. A llava model is returning in 3.5 to 4 minutes. A llava model is more accurate than moondream model. But moondream model is not bad on clearly taken photos, so it works. So if a boss sets up a Raspberry Pi with moondream model to monitor his workers and executes detection without stopping, he can detect people holding phones more than 1 minute. I'm just kidding, don't do that boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss upcoming interesting videos. Thank you for watching.